Hey guys, Krista Hill and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing part 2 of my DIY series on the dupe for the Fendi Needlepoint bag. If that's something that you're interested in, just keep watching. This is DIY. I am following the instructions from the dupe diary, who is duping the Fendi Needlepoint bag. I've never needlepoint before, but I was intrigued. So if you stumble on this video, I encourage you to go back to the video prior because I basically show how I make I draw the pattern on pattern paper based on the dupe diaries IG reel. I basically screenshotted it and then sketched it out, and then I drew it out on my own paper. You don't have to have pattern paper. You can use newspaper. You can tape together, copy paper. It's just paper. There's a video on how I did that. Now, this is so per the dupe diary. She indicated that from her research, the viral needlepoint bag is from what they call Penelope needlepoint fabric. I don't know. Again, just bear with me. So I bought some. And this is what it looks like. And so I am going to place my pattern on here. And I'm going to cut it out. So here's the interesting thing. Per her instructions, she indicated that you only needed 1 yard. I went ahead and bought 2 yards before I waited for her to reply. I was just, quick on the trigger. And so let's do that. Let me move this a little bit out of the way. So, and again, everything that I've picked up is what she suggested. This is not my own idea. Well, I mean, I thought about the idea, but I didn't get as far as she did, and I just follow her instruction. So there's 3 pattern pieces. I have not done the straps. I think that's something I'll do later. I just want to get the bag together because I want to learn how to needlepoint this bag. She's got me. I'm all the way in. Okay, anyways. So what I need to do is basically pin this. Hold on. I just need to pin, and I don't know how to do this because this has so many holes. But anyways, I just need to pin the pattern on the canvas and then cut it out. So let's do that. So let's start at the end. So I'm going to start at the very, very end of this so we can get the most from it. I don't want to waste anything. So I'm just using pins. I know you can't see this part, but you'll see it in a second. So I'm taking my stick pin and I'm just laying it down. That's it. So that my paper doesn't curl and it stays on there. Just like you would a regular fabric. So let me do the rest of these, and then I'm going to cut it out. That was a little hard. I'll probably fast forward this because this seems kind of boring. But that is what I'm doing. Okay. So I'm going to move this down. So I am pinning. Oh, that's perfect. You can't see, but it fits perfectly. So I'm going to move this out the way. I'm going to move this around. Okay. You can't see it, but I'm pinning my last piece. And now I'm just gonna cut it. It seems very scary. Ooh, I gotta fix this because it's kind of pulling in the wrong direction. Here we go. Okay. So I'm gonna cut. Okay. I cut it. All right, let's finish cutting it out. So that's one. You can see. Now let's get these other ones. All right, let's get this last piece. Last but not least, and that's my extra yard. We still got a couple more pieces to get. So let's get these edges. Okay, so I now have my 3 pieces cut. Sorry about that, guys. I thought I was recording. I wasn't. Anyways, I have taken the patterns off, the pattern off, and this is what it looks like. So this is the back, this is the front flap, and this goes around. And this will kind of go down. So what I'm trying to figure out is, I don't know if you noticed, is it looks like they finished them. And I finished meaning they sewed this so this not have a raw edge. And I'm trying to figure out if I should do that before I put it together. I don't know. That's another video. Anyways, guys, are you into the Fendi dupe bag? Did you get something like I did? I hope I finish this. Like I said, I feel like I won't post these videos until I know for sure that I'm committed, because I hate when people get me, they pull me in and then they don't finish and I'm left in suspense. I don't know what happened. I want to see the end results. I'm here for all of it. So I'm recording this in the event I do finish it. So if you see it, that probably means that I have finished it. At least finished putting the bag together. Needlepoint, and that's a whole nother thing. Anyways, guys, as always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.